Om Jagannathaya Namaha. Today, children, we are taking you on a Rath Yatra, a ceremonial procession carrying holy images in chariots. Yes, you rightly guessed. June 20th this year, Jagannath Rath Yatra begins. Puri in Odisha state is the place everyone focuses on, virtually, physically, or spiritually. We are now flying towards Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Odisha. We have now landed at the Biju Patnaik airport. Sudarshan Patnaik's sand sculpture greets you as one enters the airport building. You pass by Lingaraj temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, which is the oldest temple in Bhubaneswar. Kalinga architecture, and the central tower of the temple is 55 meters. One shouldn't miss watching the sunrise over Chandrabhaga beach 3 kilometers from Konark, and sun seen through the Sun Temple entrance is a thrilling sight to behold. We then drive towards Puri. This is the route the Rath Yatra takes from Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. Now, coming to the main Yatra. In the Yatra, Lord Jagannath does not travel alone. He takes along his brother Balabhadra and sister Subhadra from Jagannath temple to the Gundicha temple, that's his maternal aunt Manasima's place. All of them look different and travel in differently colored chariots, but are essentially of the same ultimate reality. Jagannath's Rath is named Nandi Ghosh, Balabhadra's Rath is Taladvaja, and Subhadra's Rath is Padmadvaja. The chariots are made of only Fasi, Daura, and Mai Simli wood. The main temple of Sri Jagannath is constructed in Kalinga architecture over 65 meters in height. The temple has a dome, and the shadow of the dome always falls on the building itself. Hence, there is no shadow of the temple at any time of the day. The Neela Chakra on which the flag is hoisted has a unique design made of 8 metals: iron, copper, zinc, mercury, lead, brass, silver, and gold. The massive wheels seen from different angles appear facing you. The chakra is 20 feet high and weighs a ton. It is found that the flag hoisted at the top of the temple dome always flows in the opposite direction of the airflow. Rosagar, the temple's kitchen, is the largest in the world. 56 varieties of food is cooked. It is believed that the Mahaprasad, the holy food of the Lord, is prepared under the supervision of goddess Lakshmi, the better half of Lord Jagannath. The food is cooked only in earthen pots, which are placed one over the other in the temple kitchen. But the mystery is that the pot placed at the top gets cooked first. After being offered to the Lord, the food is sold as prasad at Ananda Bajara, an open food market inside the temple, either in small earthen pots or in palm baskets made by the locals. Another mystery: nobody goes hungry and not a single grain of the Mahaprasad goes waste. Watch this video again, children, to hear the mysteries or wonders of this temple. Only a few are mentioned. Jai Jagannatha.